Well, hello everybody. This is part 2 of the 2024 patio opening. I'm in the middle of cleaning up the sink and I'll get going on that. Just got everything removed. So I'm going to test everything out and make sure it's all working. Going to use this same power wash detergent. The same that I used on the grill in the previous session. Faucet's working. Water hose is working. My repair from last year is still holding up on this nozzle. The drain needs a little help. Do a drain test. That certainly needs some help, so we'll get that addressed. Typically it's a matter of undoing this here and there's the problem likely. Okay, that passes the test. Let's put that back together. See if we did any good there. Not really, so still got some work to do. We'll blast it out. Yep, definitely. Definitely that end. Might be right in here, a little bit blocked up there. Got some leaves and debris. There's an earthworm. Put that in the garden. Give it another shot. And we're flowing now. Give it one final test. I think we should be in good shape. Here we go. And that'll work. So sink and water hose is open for part 2 of this opening of the patio of 2024. Thank you for watching.